In today's rapidly evolving world, knowledge is power. Organizations that effectively harness and leverage their collective knowledge have a distinct competitive advantage. This is where knowledge management, or KM, comes into play. KM is more than just a buzzword, it's a strategic approach to identifying, capturing, storing, sharing, and creating knowledge assets. Imagine a company where valuable insights and experiences are siloed, locked away in individual minds, or scattered across disparate systems. This lack of knowledge flow hinders innovation, slows down decision-making, and ultimately impacts the bottom line. KM seeks to break down these barriers, fostering a culture of knowledge sharing and collaboration. By implementing effective KM practices, organizations can unlock a treasure trove of insights, best practices, and lessons learned. This allows them to make informed decisions, improve processes, and drive innovation. In essence, KM empowers organizations to learn from the past, adapt to the present, and shape the future.
Before delving into the intricacies of KM, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental concept of knowledge itself. Knowledge, in its simplest form, is the awareness and understanding of facts, information, and skills acquired through experience or education. It's what we know and how we use that understanding to navigate the world around us. However, knowledge is not a monolithic entity. It exists in various forms, each with its unique characteristics and applications. Broadly speaking, knowledge can be categorized into three main types: explicit, implicit, and tacit. Understanding these distinctions is essential for developing effective KM strategies.
Explicit knowledge is the most easily identifiable and transferable form of knowledge. It's the knowledge that can be readily codified, documented, and shared in a structured format. Think of manuals, procedures, research papers, and databases. These are all repositories of explicit knowledge. One of the defining characteristics of explicit knowledge is its tangibility. It can be expressed in words, numbers, diagrams, or any other concrete form that allows for easy dissemination and comprehension. This makes it invaluable for training new employees, standardizing processes, and preserving organizational memory. However, while explicit knowledge forms a crucial foundation, it's essential to recognize that it represents only the tip of the knowledge iceberg. Beneath the surface lies a vast reservoir of implicit and tacit knowledge, which, while less tangible, is equally vital for organizational success.
Implicit knowledge goes beyond the realm of facts and figures, encompassing the know-how and practical skills acquired through experience and observation. It's the knowledge we often take for granted, the intuitive understanding that allows us to perform tasks effortlessly without conscious thought. Unlike explicit knowledge, which is readily articulated and shared, implicit knowledge is often embedded in actions, routines, and behaviors. It's the cyclist's ability to maintain balance, the chef's knack for seasoning to perfection, or the musician's innate sense of rhythm. Capturing and transferring implicit knowledge can be more challenging than explicit knowledge. It often requires observation, mentorship, and hands-on training. However, the effort is well worth it, as implicit knowledge forms the bedrock of expertise and practical competence.
Tacit knowledge resides in the depths of our minds, often difficult to articulate or even recognize. It's the intuitive, experiential knowledge that stems from years of practice, personal insights, and nuanced understanding. Think of the seasoned doctor's ability to diagnose a complex illness based on subtle cues, or the entrepreneur's instinct for spotting a market opportunity. Tacit knowledge is highly personalized and context-dependent, making it the most challenging form of knowledge to capture and transfer. It's often embedded in our beliefs, values, and mental models, shaping how we perceive the world and make decisions. While formal KM systems can play a role in capturing elements of tacit knowledge, fostering a culture of knowledge sharing, mentorship, and collaboration is paramount. Creating opportunities for individuals to share their experiences, insights, and gut feelings can help unlock this invaluable form of knowledge.
In today's knowledge-based economy, organizations that prioritize KM have a significant competitive edge. By effectively capturing, sharing, and leveraging their collective knowledge, these organizations can improve decision-making by providing access to relevant information and insights, enabling more informed and timely decisions, enhance innovation by fostering knowledge sharing, cultivating a culture where new ideas are encouraged and readily shared, increase efficiency by streamlining processes, reducing redundancy, and improving overall operational efficiency. and boost customer satisfaction by providing employees with the knowledge they need to serve customers effectively, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. In essence, KM empowers organizations to learn from the past, adapt to the present, and shape the future. By embracing KM as a strategic imperative, organizations can unlock their full potential and thrive in today's dynamic business environment.
KM plays a pivotal role in human resource management, enabling organizations to attract, develop, and retain top talent. By fostering a culture of knowledge sharing and continuous learning, KM empowers employees to accelerate onboarding, allowing new hires to quickly get up to speed by accessing existing knowledge repositories and connecting with experienced colleagues. Enhance skill development by providing access to training materials, best practices, and mentorship opportunities, fostering continuous professional development. And boost engagement and retention as employees who feel valued for their knowledge and contributions are more likely to be engaged and committed to the organization. In conclusion, KM is not merely about managing information, it's about empowering people. By creating a work environment where knowledge is valued, shared, and leveraged, organizations can unlock the full potential of their human capital and drive sustainable success.